So now we can talk about the protected access modifier. The protected modifier creates a member that is accessible within its package and to subclasses in other packages. A protected member is available for all subclasses to use, but is still protected from arbitrary access by code outside its package. So in order to use protected member, you either need to be inside the same package or you need to be a subclasses of the protected member. So here's the table that we can see all 4-access modifiers side by side. Public default is when it's not specified, protected, and private. So whether the members are visible within the same class is yes across all 4-access modifiers, but members visible within the same package by a subclass, public yes, default yes, protected yes, and private no, you can't access private members. Visible within the same package by non-subclass, so public is yes, default is yes, and protected is yes. Visible within different packages by subclasses, public and protected is yes. And visible within different packages by non-subclasses, only public is yes. So only public members are accessible by other packages that are non-subclasses. So now we're going to try to use the book class from another package. So for that, first we need to create a package. I'm going to copy this code from here and then make it a new package. Let's call this use book, and let's call the class use book demo. So, and I'm going to make sure I save this under use book package. So let's do this. So first thing I need to do is I need to create the package, otherwise known as a folder, use book, and then inside use book I can save my class as use book demo.java. Okay, so there's a few more things we need to do before we try to test this. One thing first, we don't know where book is, so we need to proceed this by its package name as book pack.book. So otherwise we will not be able to find this. So anytime we need to access book, we need to make sure that it's under book package, and that's where we can find it. So this is what we need to do here. Also back in book, notice that we did not have an access specifier, so they all are default. As we saw in the example, defaults are not accessible, so I need to make the class public. I need to make the constructor public. I also need to make the show method public because I'm also going to use that. So I'm going to use the show method. So let's test this. Before we compile and run this, I need to recompile the book.java. So let's do that first. Then I need to compile use book demo in its own package. Now we're ready to go. I can say java use book dot use book demo. Here we go. We're able to use the book class from another package. So now let's understand how protected works. So here we have a another class called extension book, xbook, which extends the book itself. So besides the book, this will have additionally a condition instance variable, and inside this class we're going to try to access the book members such as title, author, and pub date. But notice that these members are private. So if we try to access it from another package, even if it is a subclass, we'll get an error. So let's see what will this error be, and then we need to go back and change them to protected. So I'm going to say Java C, and here I'm going to say protected demo.java. Oops, one problem. We need to make sure that we need to address it by the package name. So the package of this will be, let's make it package. The name of the package is bookpackext. Bookpackext. So now here we need to make sure that we need to say package name first. Bookpackext. So we'll get an error where title, author, public are private, so we cannot access them. So I need to go ahead and make them protected. Protected, and protected. So now we should be good by using this members from a subclass that is inside another package. So let's try one more time. This time it looks good. We can say Java bookpackext dot protected demo. Okay, so one problem, protected demo. All right, let's see, protect demo. Okay, so we have a name conflict. Let's change this to protect demo. Here we go. So another print, addition to printing the book information, we also have the condition printed.